Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lacey Elizabeth, and today we are doing this amazing eye look with 35XO palette from Morphe, and this is part of their new holiday collection, and this is stunning. Like, it's so pretty. Check this out. Look at these shades. So good. So if you guys want to know how I got this amazing glitter eyeshadow look, keep watching. Not to mention, I'm going to be unboxing this brand new JOUER lip set as well. Remember, if you want to see more of these amazing videos, hit that like button, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, let's get into it! Alright guys, let's start by unboxing these. Alright, this is the Natural Flirt palette from Morphe. This is their new Christmas palette. I'm excited to unbox this. The colors looked amazing online. We don't need this. It's packaged really nice. Ooh, that's pretty. This is stunning. I love the glossy, shimmery, very metallic vibe. Ooh, those are beautiful colors. Let's take away the guard. That is so pretty. I'm definitely wearing the right color for this palette today. So the chase is drawing my eye. Your Move is drawing my eye. Definitely Hair Flip is a great transition shade. Just Friends, that one was also a great transition shade. And Meet the Rents, Love Story, Kiss Me, Crushin' Hard. I kind of want to go in with Crushin' Hard because it's like the only really, pressed glitter in this palette. I'm kind of digging the pressed glitter right now, so I might actually use that one. Not sure. Let's go into this. Let's dig into it. For my transition shade, I'm going to go in with this brush right here by Morphe. And I'm going to go into probably Hair Flip because that's the one that's appealing to me. That's very pigmented. That's stunning. Tap that brush off. So I'm just going to blend that color into my transition. That's pretty. I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of Hair Flip, tap that color off, and go back into my transition. Blend that out. That's really, really pretty. I'm going to go in with Message Red, which is this color right here, and we're using that same brush. That's very pigmented. Tap that off, and I'm literally gonna apply that just lower here in my transition. That's really pretty. That is really, really pretty. We're gonna go in with this brush right here. I'm gonna go in with Eye Contact, which is this beautiful pink, just mostly because I want to see what it's like. That's really pretty. Tap that off. And I'm gonna go into my inner corner. Okay, that's really subtle. It's very pretty. I like that. With that same brush, I'm going to go into this one right here called The Chase, which is a very shimmery color. And I'm going to apply that over my lid. I'm just going to tap that off. Just in the center of my lid. We do have some fallout with that shade, so I'm just going to tap that away with my brush. And it's gone. So these colors are very pink and purple and mauve, and they're stunning and beautiful and I love them. I find that they're not super pigmented, but we're gonna go into some darker ones right now and we're gonna test out those ones. I'm now gonna go in with this Morphe flat makeup brush right here. And I'm going to pick up Happily Ever After, which is this beautiful, deep, plummy mauve purple color. And I'm going to apply this to my outer V and bring it in. Okay, that's very pigmented, that's very beautiful. I'm now gonna go in with that same fluffy brush that we were just using, and I'm just going to blend that out. That's actually really, really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that exact same brush, and I'm going to pick up this color right here. Actually, I wanna know with my finger. Okay, that's actually quite pretty. I'm wondering how that's gonna read with my brush. Just to make sure that there's no fallout with the glitter, I'm actually gonna go in with this product right here. This is Glitter Glue by Too Faced. And I'm just gonna apply a small amount, just like that, to the back of my hand. I'm just actually gonna go in with a slightly larger detailed brush. I'm gonna pick up that glitter glue, so it's on the end of my brush. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to apply that glitter glue where I want the glitter to be applied to my eye. This is not necessary, you could just go in, it is a pressed glitter, but I don't want any fallout throughout the day. Now with that same brush, I'm going to just go in and pick up that glitter. That's very soft and pigmented. I'm just going to tap that onto that glitter glue. And I'm going to bring that glitter right into my inner corner. That's really, really pretty. I feel like I want just a bit more of a pop, so I'm just going to go in very lightly, because I do have my glitter on there, and just add just a little bit of a darker color right into my transition right there. And to do that, I'm going to take the super fluffy brush that we were literally just using by Morphe. You know what, let's go in with Meet the Parents. It's going to give us just that little bit of pop of color that we need. Just like that. We're going to go in now with a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out those edges. I'm going to go in with this little brush right here, and I'm going to apply some color to my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with Dating History. Tap that off. I'm just gonna brush away any fallout. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna repeat these steps on my other eye, apply some mascara and some lashes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I went in and I applied some mascara and I applied my lashes. I just have to go in and apply my eyeliners. I thought I'd go in with this Super Black Makeup by Mario liquid liner right here to line my lash line. To go in and line my waterline, I will be going in with Creme de la Creme, which is a color by House of Lashes and Sephora. I think that House of Lashes Creme de la Creme liner just gives it that little bit of wow. I love it. Alright guys, let's go in, let's unbox this brand new JOUER lip set and do our lip color and finish off this look. This was released for their holiday collection. I'm excited for this. Let's unbox it. Let's try to unbox it. Okay, there we go. Do I need this? This is beautiful. We have 6 colors here for this eye look. Probably something more on the neutral side. I kind of want to go in with Ballerine, just because I want to see what that swatch is like. Let me just swatch these really quick. Let me try and open these really quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that one's a little bit more on the pinky side. It would work for this look. But let's try and get something a little bit more nude. That would also be really pretty, but this is a little bit dark for this look. That one's also really pretty. Let's go in and swatch these glosses. Ooh, that's beautiful. That one's also very beautiful. For colored glosses, these are stunning. And the last one, oh, I love that. Okay, definitely I'm gonna go in with this gloss. And I'm thinking, for this look, let's go in with this one right here, which is called Terra. One dip. That's amazing. It's so smooth, beautiful. It's already drying down. Absolutely stunning. I absolutely love JOUER lip color. I've been using it since it launched probably. Absolutely love it. So these gold stars, recommend it so much. Love it, love it, love it. Alright guys, let me know if you love this look. Let me know in the comments down below. I love hearing from you guys and I always try and write back. Don't forget and hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.